Here's an example of logarithmic properties. In this problem, we want to use properties of logarithms to expand the following expression as much as possible. Where possible, we're going to evaluate that expression without using a calculator. All right, so we got log base 4 of 64x to the fifth. Since we have multiplication inside our logarithm here, we're going to write this as log base 4 of 64 plus log base 4 of x to the fifth. I'm going to rewrite 64 as being 4 to the third power, log base 4 of 4 cubed. And also now we can use our power rule to roll that 5 out in front, so we get plus 5 times log base 4 of x. The last step is to simplify. We have log base 4 of 4 to the third power. By definition of inverse functions, 3 drops out, so we get 3 plus 5 times log base 4 of x. This simplifies our expression using logarithmic properties.